Do you have a yellow tint on your laptop screen running Windows 11? If you want to get rid of it, you have landed at the right place. We have the best solutions for you. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Before we move forward, make sure to subscribe to our channel and like this video. It's free and helps us a lot. We do tons of research to find the working solutions for you. Your little support will help us continue making solution videos for you and others. So let's dive right in. Method 1. Change the color profile. Type color management in the Windows search bar. Select the first option from the drop-down under the display option. Then check the box Use My Settings for this device. Then click Add and select sRGB Virtual Device Model Profile under WCS Device Profile. After that, also select sRGB IEC 61966-2.1 under ICC Profiles. Then click OK and restart the computer to see if the problem is resolved. Method 2. Disable the night light. Disabling the night light option can resolve this issue easily. Press Windows plus I and open Settings. Now click on the System option on the left side. Then click on Display, under that on the right hand side. After that, click on Brightness and Color and access the Night Light feature. Turn off this feature and your issue should be resolved. Method 3. Set the right color calibration. Type Calibrate Display Color in the Windows search bar. In the Display Color Calibration window, click on Next. After that, keep moving forward and adjust the display colors as per your suitability. This should resolve your issue. And there you have it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.